Alright guys, so this is the new Neuma 4 macro machine, okay? I've been using the Neuma machines for almost 2 years now, and every time I test a new machine that comes out on the market, I always find myself picking up my Neuma again, because like all of these tattoo machines claim, to do this, to do that. They come with they come in several different strokes, and you're always trying to figure out what stroke length you want to work with, and some of them even come with the ability to change their cams. And like, I have a bunch of these machines, as you can see: Scorpion X2, Cheyenne Unlimited, Stigma Force. Just, I can pull out plenty of machines from my drawer. I've worked and tattooed with every newer rotary on the market, and and I found myself like always coming back to Neuma. I'm thankful to be part of the Neuma team, and very thankful for Carson, letting me test these machines and, do reviews on them and work with them and tattoo with them, and also be able to try and test other tattoo machines that are on the market and compare them to the Neuma. So why I keep coming back to the Neuma, that I'll have to tell you guys in another video. Okay, so let's get into this Neuma 4 macro. So I literally just got this machine today. I have not used it, but I can tell you, as you guys see here, there's a bit of a difference between the regular Neuma 4, which is here, and I have the 38mm steel grip. I love a nice heavy weighted machine. I come from the days of tattooing with heavy coils, and I decided that I would continue working with a heavy machine. I'm thankful that I don't have problems with my wrists, but I can tell you right off the bat, the new packaging is nice. And as I can already see, the motor assembly here for the Neuma 4 macro is larger, and it has a new motor within the machine. The motor is bigger. It has 50% more power. It has a lot of torque, and it's a very, very powerful machine. There's been quite a few other things that have been redesigned, like the internal parts, and I'll get into all of that within my initial review. Here's the regular Neuma 4. Let's compare it to this new Neuma 4 macro. So it's quite a bit of a difference in the size of the machine, a lot bigger of a motor. That's number one. So right off the bat, the Neuma 4 macro is not going to work with your original Neuma 4 grips. you'll probably be able to put it in, and I mean, you probably could get it to work, but as you see, you have quite a lot of space within an original, you know, the first series of the Neuma 4 and these grips. The grips, the new grips for the macro are longer, so they're designed to work and fit with the Neuma 4 macro. But you know, this is just my first unboxing and first impressions. The unboxing was fantastic, you know, and you guys witnessed all of that. You get with any machine purchase, no matter what it is, you're gonna get 4 cams. One will be installed within the machine. It'll probably be the 20% within your choice of stroke length. Okay, you'll get lubrication, you'll get an Allen key, and the Allen key will be for switching out your bearing arm, which is inside of your machine. And you pop your cam out. There's your bearing arm is in there, and you can take that out and put another bearing arm on. The bearing arms and all the cams work with the Neuma 4 macro, the Neuma 4 Modus, which I haven't gotten my hands on yet. The Modus is pretty much the same body as the Neuma 4. The cartridge adjuster has been widened on the Modus, but it does not have the newer motor, which is in excuse me, which is in the Neuma 4 macro here. Now this macro and this grip, this is a newer grip. This is the shift grip, which I like as well, and this is a stainless steel shift grip. I love the weight of it, and the design of it is just ingenious, how Carson has designed these grips and machines to work and function. And I can tell you right away, when I turned on this macro and I was running it, it runs really smooth. Wow. Let me turn it back on. Yeah, that's there. So this area of my palm, and of course I will never use this cartridge again. I will just show you guys. I always test machines here. I've been doing this for like 15 years, just to see how they feel. You know, I have a really large callus here, and oh wow, that is definitely super smooth. Wow, dude, Carson, I gotta give it to you on this one, dog. This one is a game changer already. I could just feel the difference. It's just phenomenally smooth. Let's try a line. Oh, even the adjustment knob is so nice. Wow. That is nice. Yeah. So, you know, the macro, let's with, you know, the shorty battery pack on it, well, it's a bit longer than some of the other pen style machines on the market. Yeah, but I mean, that's not really gonna bother me. You know, it's definitely, this thing is definitely a game changer, you know. And I'm going to test it today. I'm going to tattoo with it and see how it runs and functions, but it does feel a hell of a lot smoother. Wow. One thing I love about the Neumas, and like I was saying, why I keep coming back to them, is because the ability to do this. Pop your cam out. I need to lube this up a little bit more so it comes out easier. But just being able to switch to any kind of desired tattooing format, which with Neuma is pretty much, you know, you got a softer hit, a harder hit, and different stroke lengths, and that pretty much allows you to configure your machine however you want it to run and work and function. Let me turn this battery on. Again, I don't even know why I turned it off to begin with. I got the 28% cam in there. Yeah, that's nice. Definitely nice. Alright, so I will be back with a full review of this machine, but I just wanted to, you know, let you guys see, you know, an unboxing of this. The new packaging is really nice. And you know, you get some information on the back of the packaging. So yeah, I really like the way that this new packaging is. You get a quick start guide inside of there. So this is all pretty cool, definitely, for sure. Awesome. Alright, well, that's the Neuma 4 macro, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back with the final review on this, and we'll talk about why I love my Neumas so much.